Hello and welcome to our platform. In this video, we're going to add an e-commerce business. Let's start by understanding what e-commerce is and why we are incorporating it into our platform. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, has revolutionized how business is done, providing a virtual platform for brands and customers to engage in commercial activities from any location worldwide. It can be referred to as an online business, where most activities are conducted through digital platforms. The purpose of e-commerce within our flow is to facilitate the online buying and selling of goods and services. It enables users to browse products, make purchases, and manage orders conveniently from our platform. This is a brief overview of e-commerce and the reasons we are adding it to our system. Now, let's dive in and explore the process. First, we select Business Info and then choose the specific business. Proceed by clicking the Add button. Here, you can enter the necessary information such as the business type, sequence number, and other relevant details. We are selecting the business type as e-commerce. Note that once e-commerce is selected, images cannot be added, so we'll just add the business type, name, description, and any other pertinent details. Next, we'll talk about whether an admin can create categories and subcategories. If this toggle is on, merchants can add categories or subcategories. However, if the toggle is off, merchants are unable to add them, and customers won't be able to view these categories or subcategories either. That's the usefulness of this toggle. Next, we will discuss whether a merchant can edit orders. If the toggle is on, the merchant will be able to edit an order that has not been accepted. During this time, the merchant can also edit such an order. If the toggle is off, then the merchant cannot disable the Edit Order option on the Merchant panel or Merchant app. Moving on, let's examine the Business toggle. This is a critical feature for adding a business as e-commerce. If the toggle is on, the merchant can register as an e-commerce merchant. They will also be able to view the e-commerce business during the registration process, just as customers can view this type of e-commerce business in a specific city. If the toggle is off, then these e-commerce businesses will not be visible to customers on our platform. This explains the importance of the Business toggle. Now, let's proceed to adding a name for our e-commerce business. Here, we can add the flyby as a name. Here, you can add a description for our e-commerce store. Following that, you can see the theme-only website section. This is used to display menus based on the theme. Here, you will find 3 different types of display: List View, Grid View, and the Default View. Next, observe the default image. This default image will be visible on the website whenever a store has not added a profile image. At this point, we can display our default image on the web. Here, you can add our default image. Confirm it, and you will be able to view the default image on the website. And this is the image note and icon note. Whenever you upload an image, you must be able to select the appropriate image size and aspect ratio. This is the purpose of the image and icon notes. Verify all the details and then click on the Save button. You have successfully added your e-commerce business to our platform. Here, you can view your e-commerce business on the list. If you need to change any details like the description or name, you can also manage tokens and change your themes. You have the flexibility to alter any of your requirements. Please note that when you add an e-commerce business, you can only add one business at a time. Once you've added your e-commerce business to our platform, you cannot add multiple businesses. We hope you understand how the process works and how you can add your e-commerce business to our platform. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your time and hope the information provided has been clear.